Hello guys and welcome back again to your favorite YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how it is super easy in just a couple of easy steps reset your Realtor password. So let's just get started. The very first step that you gotta do is of course to type in right domain and right name. Right here is realtor.com, and then you gotta sign up or log in into your account. As you can see, I have already done that, so the very next thing that I want to do here is just go press right here, and then this menu will pop up: buyer profile, render tools, my home, track my home, settings, and sign out. Let's just go with settings. We can press on it, and then here we have buyer profile, render tools, settings, and collaborate options. We're gonna go with settings, and here from this point on you can change your profile photo, add a name, add address, add phone number, and scroll down a bit and you can see here reset password option. Once you're pressing on it, almost done. Email is sent to my mail. The email message includes a secure link to reset your password, so let's check it out. Here you can see how it looks like. Greetings from realtor.com. Please click the button below to reset your password using our secured server. So right here, press. Once you're back at realtor.com, we'll give you instructions for resetting your password. If you did not request this email or you remember your password, ignore this email and your password will stay the same. So we pressed on the link and then we can reset our password. Enter your new password. New password right here. You need to use 8 or more characters with a combination of uppercase, lowercase, a number, and a symbol. Confirm password down below. Use 8 or more characters with a combination of uppercase, lowercase, a number, and a symbol, and just press submit. Or you can go back to login if you remembered your password in the meantime. It's basically that easy, so just remember to follow the simple rules with lowercase and uppercase numbers and symbols. New password, confirm password, submit, and that's about it. Check it out, explore it, and if you have any other questions about it, write down in the comment section and I will try to answer to you as soon as I can. Until the next time, goodbye.